Hello, my name is Chris McKendry, and for this summary for week 2, I will be completing some assignments from chapter 49. The first question that we have is, how can I identify all the transactions in which Jen sold lipstick in the East region? So what we want to do first here is we want to create a filter, and then from there we want to see where Jen did. So we go to the name filter, we deselect all, we only select Jen, click OK. So now it comes up all the things that have Jen in the name, and we want to see what she sold. So we go to products, and we want to deselect all, and we want to select lipstick, select OK. So now it's everything that she sold from lipstick, and now we just want to see that she sold in the East region. So this right here shows you everything, that all the transactions that Jen sold lipstick in the East region. And we want to actually clear all these filters. So we can go up to here, we can hit clear, and it brings us back to the beginning. Second question is, how can I identify all transactions in which CC or Colleen sold lipstick or mascara in the East or South region? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to the name filter, we're going to deselect all, we're going to select CC and Colleen, and then we are going to go to the product, we are going to click lipstick, we're going to deselect all, we're going to click lipstick or mascara, and we're going to click OK, and then it'll bring up just to there, and then we're going to go to location, we're going to deselect all, and we're going to select East or South, and that brings you to everything that they sold in the East, that Colleen or CC sold lipstick or mascara in the East or South region. Next one is, how can I clear filters from the column or database? So I showed that earlier, but we can go up to the filter and sort tab, we can clear from here. There's also another way, if we want to just select all and just select, or deselect all and just select Midwest, we can right click up here, you can click up here and hit clear filter from location, so then that brings you to everything. So lastly, we want to see how we can identify all the transactions involved in sales greater than $280 and greater than 90 units. So we're going to use a sum if function. So we're going to click, or a count if function. We're going to hit enter, and we're going to do count if, and then we're going to do for parentheses, we're going to do the dollars first. So we're going to select the whole H column. That's the whole range. So we're going to do a comma, and we're going to do parentheses greater than 280, parentheses and parentheses and bracket. Hit enter. So 61. There's, out of this whole column H, there's 61 times that there have been sales over $280. And we're also going to do for greater than 90 units. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to hit enter. We're going to hit count if. We're going to do parentheses, select the whole G range, which is the units range, comma, quotation marks, greater than 90, quotation marks, and parentheses, enter. That gives us 95. So out of this whole G column, there was 95 times where a product was sold greater than 90 units. And that you have it is everything for chapter 49.